Hi y'all, how are you? I hope everyone is doing well. Today I've decided to make some stir-fried chicken using LA Choy sweet and sour sauce. Usually I just add some butter and some honey into my pot and kind of brown the chicken with that. But I have found this product and it's pretty good. I actually used it a couple of times for the past weeks, and I wanted to make a video and show you all how it's gonna come out. So first I'm going to get some butter, put it in my pot right here. I have already cut up the chicken, as you can see, in small pieces right here, like Chinese restaurants. I've tried to make it really thin so it will cook faster. So I'm going to transfer the chicken onto this butter. If you like, you can add some oil as well. I'm not a fan of using too much oil. I just use a little butter and try to make everything nice and brown. That should be sufficient. And just keep browning this chicken. At this point, if you like, you can add some salt or you can add it later on, but I usually start it in the beginning. And some more ingredients, black pepper maybe. And some red pepper or paprika. And if you wanted a little have a kick, you can add some crushed pepper and make it spicy. My family likes it spicy, so I always use crushed pepper in almost all my recipes. Or chili pepper, which I buy from Indian stores, and they're really spicy, so you have to watch that. You can't put too much. Once this is all brown, I'm going to add my sauce. Not too much in the beginning, just a few drops. You can glaze the chicken first. Once it's glazed, you're going to add your vegetables in there. Like a package of stir-fried veggies that you can buy from any supermarket, just like this. And I have snap peas, broccoli, some carrots, and some zucchini, and squash. It's all mixed up. You can wash it a little, get rid of all the freezer stuff smell, and just let it drain. And then once your chicken is all glazed and brown, you can bring it over. I'm going to add some more sauce later, not right now. And a tiny bit more salt. Let's put some garlic. And pick out the garlic. Cook a few minutes, and then I'm going to add the veggies, stir some more. If we have to add some more ingredients, you can. If not, just stick with the sauce. The sauce has plenty of ingredients in it, and it's going to be sweet and sour chicken with some vegetables. It's like a stir-fry Chinese food. And later on, I'm going to make some rice, and I'll figure that as well, so you guys can see how I make my rice. We're Persian, so we use the basmati rice, which is, you can find it from any Indian supermarkets, Iranians, Arabs, they all sell them. Basmati rice from Afghanistan or Iran are the best rice to cook. I'll show you the recipe in a few minutes. I'll do another video and you can follow through. In the meantime, please like and subscribe my channel. I'm trying to get, higher in the YouTube algorithm if possible. I'm a newbie, so help me support my channel so I can grow. Thank you so much. I'm a housewife and always cook for my family. So I thought, well, why not? Now, I'm also writing a cookbook soon, so that's gonna come out. And once it comes out, I will definitely put a link in the description so you guys can go to Amazon and buy it. And it's not gonna be that expensive. It's gonna have all Afghan dishes, Afghan recipes, all delicious Afghan recipes. Alrighty. So before I add the sauce, I'm gonna kind of saute the veggies also, like they do at Payway or any other Oriental restaurant. When you go, they saute everything on the hot flame right in front of you. I don't have hot flames, but you know, like they do, but it's definitely hot. And this is enough veggies. You don't need a lot. It's actually half of the bag, because I used that other half the other day for something else. At this point, I'm going to add a little more butter just to kind of brown everything and saute everything. Close the top for a minute. Oh, by the way, the previous video was about my pasta. So this pasta is ready. I'm going to serve it soon for my son. I added some more cheese to make it thicker. And this is actually cooked and ready. Still waiting on this. I have another lid for this pot as well, but it's behind me and I don't want to go back all over the kitchen. I'm just gonna stick in this area and try to videotape my cooking. Oh, it smells so good. I'm going to add some more sauce, like the LA Choy sweet and sour sauce, and a little more fresh pepper, and a tiny bit oil. I'm going to cover this and let it simmer on medium heat for about 10-15 minutes, and after that it's ready to be eaten like this in a bowl. And whoever is on keto diet, you don't need any, carbohydrates. You can just eat it like this, or you can eat it with some white rice or fried rice. But we're not Orientals, and I don't make a lot of fried rice, but I will definitely make some white rice, and I'm gonna videotape that as well and add it. And once you watch that, you can put these two tips together and make your recipe. Alrighty, like I said earlier, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm a newbie. I'm trying to get on the higher algorithm and YouTube and grow my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.